Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to build a creative network with ArtStation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on ArtStation. Visit the ArtStation website and click the sign up button. Fill in your information, including your email, password, and username. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, set up your profile. Add a professional profile picture that reflects your artistic style. Write a compelling bio that showcases your skills and interests. Upload a portfolio of your best work. Select high-quality images that represent your unique style and abilities. Organize your portfolio into projects for easy navigation. Explore the community features of ArtStation. Follow artists whose work inspires you. Engage with their posts by liking and commenting thoughtfully. Join ArtStation groups that resonate with your interests. Participate in discussions to connect with other artists. Utilize ArtStation's job board to find opportunities. Apply for freelance gigs and collaborations that match your skill set. Share your work on social media platforms to expand your reach. Promote your ArtStation portfolio across your networks. Network with fellow artists through direct messaging. Ask for feedback on your work to build meaningful connections. Attend ArtStation events or webinars, either online or in person. Engage with the community during these events to meet like-minded creators. Stay active on the platform by regularly updating your portfolio. Respond to comments and messages promptly to foster relationships. Collaborate with other artists on joint projects or challenges. Continuously seek out new connections to grow your creative network. By following these steps, you'll effectively build a vibrant creative network on ArtStation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.